Brushing your teeth?
Good job. Show us how it's done, please.
Brush your teeth, Helen. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Oh, excuse me. I'm filming, ma'am. Good girl. Brush your teeth. Then I forgot to write on there a couple days ago. Oh, she's already getting stuff out. Some strawberry. A few days ago, she cut her 14th tooth. That's right. She's looking at me. What? Your 14th tooth? Yeah, she's been in a lot of pain, and lots of drooling, and crying, and waking in the night. Last, a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Are you brushing? Brush, 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 brush. Well, you're not getting a lot of brushing done, but you did do pretty good though. You definitely improved your toothbrushing.
Do you want to do some counting?
She's not doing it.
Oh, come on. What's this?
Because she's brushing right now. Okay,
Oh, you're playing
what's
around.
number one? Say. Go ahead.
Okay, here we go.
1.
That's 2. Okay, here we go.
1.
All right, we're not going to play right now.
I know she's brushing right now. We should have done that another time. That's okay. She just now counted to 5. Just put up the fingers. We just did 1, 2, and didn't say the numbers. She counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. That was amazing. But she said, I'm busy brushing now. I say, Helen Iris, how old are you? Huh? 2. And then she always wants to say 2.
That's her favorite number right now.
Favorite number's 2. But I said, Helen Iris, when somebody says, how old are you? You say 1. 1.
Can you repeat after me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
What's
After
that?
8, she said 9. Did you hear that?
Oh, yeah. 10.
He said 8, and then she said 9. That's pretty cool. She is brushing and brushing. Love you, Helen Iris. Love you.